My name is Venkat Durgaru, VDS sir antaru. I am commerce lecturer. Financial analysis. In previous class, we have explained comparative balance sheet, common size balance sheet, and trend percentage. Three models we have completed. At present, financial analysis part 4. Okay, it is income statement. Income statement, there are two types. Again, comparative income statement and common size income statement. Okay, here, if you like my class, please subscribe our channel, video channel. Okay, let us go to the pro forma income statement. So in financial companies, in what way income will be calculated? So particulars rupees. Revenue from operations. Revenue from operation means net sales. Net sales means gross sales minus sales returns. We will get the net sales. Gross sales minus sales returns. We will get the net sales. Okay. Add other incomes. Add other incomes. We will get total income. Okay. It is the income of the company. Expenses. Cost of material consumed, like cost of goods sold opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock, cost of material consumed, purchase of stock of material. Change in inventories, it means inventories purchase or inventories sold, scrap like sold. So if there is a inventory changes in amount is given in this way, it means minus value, minus plus, minus of minus equal to plus. Change in inventories, it means minus value. Change in the inventories negative value, it means plus value. Okay, observe that. Work in progress. Employees benefit like wages, salaries, rent, advertisement, finance interest, interest paid, interest on debentures, etc. Depreciation, amortization means written off, goodwill written off, other expenses. Total expenses will be treated as a total B. Okay, total B. Next, profit before tax. We will get total income A, total expense B. Profit before tax A minus B. Minus tax, tax rate. Okay, we will get the net profit. Net profit. This is the income statement pro forma. Okay, again once again, revenue from operations, net sales. Other incomes will be added. Total income A. All expenses will be written inside. Cost of material, purchase of stock, work in progress, employees benefits, alage financial cost, depreciation, amortization, all expenses, other expenses, total expense will be total B. Profit before tax A minus B. Okay, minus tax rate. Then net profit or profit after tax. Net profit, profit after tax will be getting. Okay, this is the format of income statement. This pro forma is both for two models, comparative income statement, common size income statement. Let us have to explain the comparative income statement problems. Okay, comparative income statement is first problem. Okay, here comparative income statement question is given, particulars 2018 2007. In previous problems, years are given 2017, 2018. So ascending order is given. Here descending order is given. But we have to prepare the ascending order. Revenue from operation, net sales, both are same. 20 lakhs, 15 lakhs. Okay. Cost of material consumed. Percentage of revenue from operation. 20 lakhs into 60%. We will get the cost of material consumed. 15 lakhs into 70%. We have to get the cost of material for 2017. Employees benefit expense 2,50,000 and 1 lakh. Income tax rate is 40%, 40%. Okay, this is the question. First we have to calculate revenue from operation 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs. Total A. There is no other incomes. Expenses underline. Cost of material consumed, employee benefits. Two items. Okay, total expenses. Total income minus total expense, we get the profit before tax, and tax rate is 40%. Then we get the net profit. Okay, this is the question. Okay, we have to start the problem. Let us see the solution. Compared to income statement, particulars 2017, 2018, increase decrease rupees, increase decrease percentages. Okay, first revenue from operation. In question 2017 is given revenue from operation sales is 15 lakhs. Okay, sales 2018 is given 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs. So difference will be increased as 5 lakhs. Okay, percentage 5 lakhs by 15 lakhs. 5 lakhs by 15 lakhs into 100. It means 33.33%. Okay, if you want to write the comment, if examinations ask the comment also, the revenue from operations are increases from 2017 to 2018 is 33.33%. Okay, I am also explaining the problem and comment. Comment is not showing here, but I am explaining the same time. So revenue from operations are increases from 2017 to 2018 33.33%. Okay, total income. There is no other incomes, same total will be continuous. Okay, 5 lakhs. 33.33%. Okay, next. Cost of material consumed. In this question is given. Cost of material is given at 70%. So 15 lakhs into 70%. 15 lakhs into 70%. Okay, 10 lakhs 50,000. 10 lakhs 50,000. 10 lakhs 50,000 rupees. 15 lakhs into 70%. Next again 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs into 60% is here 12 lakhs. 12 lakhs. 20 lakhs into 60% is 12 lakhs. Here increases the 1,50,000. So cost of material increase 1,50,000. Calculate 1,50,000 by 10,50,000. 1,50,000 divided by 10,50,000 into 100. We get percentage 14.28%. The cost of raw materials also increases from 2017 to 2018 at the rate of the percentage by 14.28%. Employees benefits given in the question. Okay, employees benefit given 1 lakh and 2,50,000. 1 lakh, 2,50,000. It increases 1,50,000 rupees expenses. The employee benefit also increases the 1,50,000 rupees. Percentage 1,50,000 divided by 1 lakh into 100. Into 100. So 1,50,000 divided by 100 into 100. Okay, 150%. Okay, 150% expenses are increased. Here employee benefits are increased. The 150% range will be increased. Total expenses 11 lakhs 50,000 total expense. So 14 lakhs 50,000. So here increases the 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs. So 3 lakhs by 11 lakhs 50,000. 3 lakhs by 11 lakhs 50,000 into 100. Okay, 26.08%. Okay, profit before tax 15 lakhs minus 11 lakhs 50,000. We get the 3 lakhs 50,000. 3 lakhs 50,000. 20 lakhs minus 14 lakhs 50,000. Here 5 lakhs 50,000 profit before tax. So 2 lakhs will be increases. 2 lakhs by 3 lakhs 50,000. 2 lakhs divided by 3 lakhs 50,000 into 100. Okay, 57.14 profit before tax will be increased. The profit increases from profit before tax increases from 2017 to 2018 is 57.14%. Now tax rate is given 40%. 3,50,000 into 40%. We'll get to the 1,40,000 minus 2,10,000 profit after tax. Okay, 5,50,000 into 40%. Tax rate is 40%. We will get 2,20,000. 140, 220. Increase the 80,000 rupees. So tax is also increase the 80,000 by 1,40,000 into 100. Okay, compared to 57.14%. Okay, next. Here 3,30,000. So 1,20,000. So 1,20,000 by 2,10,000. Net profit 57.14%. So net profit will be increases after tax is 57.14%. Okay, this is the way of the doing the problem. Again, if you ask comment, just like the percentages, 2017 increases 33.33%. Expense are increases the 14.28%. Employee benefit increase cost 150%. Finally, net profit is also increases 1,20,000, that is 57.14%. So this is the problem. Okay. Next, same method, another problem we can do. Can also solve the problem. Second problem, compare to income statement. Prepare compare to income statement. Okay, particulars 2005, 2006. Revenue from operation 10 lakhs, 12 lakh 50,000. Okay, purchase of stock 5 lakh 80,000, 6 lakhs. Changes in inventories 50,000, 40,000. Okay, other income 30,000, 30,000. Other expenses 50,000, 60,000. Tax rate is 40%, 40%. Okay, this is the question. Let us have to explain the solution. Revenue from operation, income. Other incomes is also income. So 10 lakhs plus 30,000 will be added. Total income. Purchase of stock, changes in inventories, other expenses are total expenses. Total income minus total expense, we will get the profit before tax. Minus tax rate is 40%, we will get the net profit. Okay, this is the solution. Okay, this is question. Solution will be shown. Okay. So please, whenever doing the problem, please note down the question. Then the answer will be understood easily. Without a question, we should not understand the solution. So whenever you want to practice the problems, please note down the question. It is my request. Okay. Then only we get the good marks in the examinations. Okay. So those are the previous problems given in the examinations also. Okay. We have to see the solution. We have to start the problem. Okay, compare to income statement. Particulars 2005, 2006. Increase, decrease rupees, increase, decrease percentage. Okay, revenue from operation. First, question given 10 lakhs and 12 lakh 50,000. Okay, it increases the 2 lakhs 50,000. 2 lakh 50,000 by 10 lakhs into 100. We get the 25%. 2 lakh 50,000 divided by 10 lakhs into 100. So 25%. Other incomes. Other incomes are given in the question 30,000, 30,000. Okay, there is no increase, decrease and no percentage. Okay, add 10 lakhs, 30,000, 12 lakhs, 80,000. So here we will get 2 lakhs 50,000. 2 lakhs 50,000. 2 lakh 50,000 by 10 lakhs 30,000. 24.27%. 2 lakh 50,000 by 10 lakh 30,000 into 100. 24.27%. Expenses. Purchase of stock, changes in inventory, other expenses. Okay. Purchase of stock 5 lakhs 80,000. 5 lakhs 80,000. 6 lakhs. Increase amount is 20,000. 20,000 by 5 lakh 80,000. We get to the 3.45%. So purchase of inventory increased by 3.45%. Okay, this is also common. If asked in the examinations, right, purchase of stock increases 2005 to 2000 increases 3.45%. Revenue from operation increases is 25%. changes in inventories. Given the question 50,000, 40,000 decreases minus 10,000. 10,000 by 50,000. We get the 20%. 20% decreases. So changes in inventory says decreases by 20%. Other expenses given in the question 50,000 and 60,000. 10,000 increases. So other expenses are increases 20%. Okay, 20% will be increases. Let us total 6,80,000 total expenses. 7 lakhs increases the 20,000. 20,000 by 2 lakhs, 6,80,000. 20,000 by 6,80,000, 2.94%. Okay, next. Total income is 10,30,000. Total expenses 6,88,000 minus. We get the profit before tax amount 3,50,000. 3,50,000. 12,80,000 minus 7 lakhs. We'll get the profit before tax 5,80,000. 5,80,000. So difference is 2,30,000. 2,30,000 by 2,30,000 by 3,50,000 into 100. We get the 65.71%. Okay, 71%. Rate of tax is 40%. 3,50,000 into 40%. 1,40,000 less 2,10,000. 5,80,000 into 40%. Get 2,32,000 less. We get the 3,48,000. Okay. Amount will be increases the 92,000. Okay. Next 1,38,000. 92,000 by 1,40,000. 92,000 by 1,40,000. Okay. We'll get the percentage 65.71%. 1,38,000 by 2,10,000. We get 65.71%. So net profit increases 65%, 65.71%. The company's profitability position is sufficient. So here if you ask comment, revenue from operation increased by 25%. Okay. Stock of raw material, changes in inventory, little bit increases, and changes in inventory decreases 20%. Other expenses are increased by 20%. Total expenses are increased by 2.94%. Net profit before tax increased by 65.75%. Net profit increased by 65.71%. The company's profitability position is sufficient. Okay, here profit is 65.71% will be increases. If you like my class, please subscribe our channel. Next class we will be explain financial analysis part 5, common size income statement. Okay, thank you for watching this video.